Have you ever dreamed of earning a steady income from home without any prior experience? What if I told you that starting a blog could unlock that dream? Imagine making $5,000 a month just by sharing your passions or insights. Are you ready to turn that vision into reality? In this video, you will be guided step by step on how you can earn $5,000 every month without any prior experience. Step 1 in your journey to earning $5,000 a month from blogging starts with finding your perfect niche. Let's dive into this process with a personal touch to make sure you choose a niche that's not just profitable, but also one you're passionate about. Firstly, head over to Google Trends. Here's where your curiosity meets creativity. Type in potential topics that interest you. Watching the trends graph spike is like watching the heartbeat of public interest. It tells you what's capturing hearts and minds. Alternatively, BuzzSumo is your go-to for seeing what content is getting the most shares. It's like peering into the conversations happening around the dinner table across the globe. Now, let's talk about some niches that have proven to be quite the gold mines. Finance, where you can demystify the world of money for your readers. Health, a niche ripe with opportunities to touch lives by sharing wellness tips. And tech, which lets you explore the latest gadgets that are shaping our future. These areas are not just profitable, they're evergreen, consistently drawing in crowds thirsty for knowledge. When choosing your niche, aim for the sweet spot where your interests overlap with high demand and low competition. This is where your voice can shine through the noise, connecting with readers on a personal level and building a community that trusts your insights. Choose wisely, because your niche is not just a topic, it's the gateway to your future audience's hearts and minds. Step 2 is where you bring your blog to life. It's a journey from a simple idea to a platform ready to welcome the world. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring each step is clear and filled with warmth. First up, securing your domain name. Think of this as choosing the address where your dreams will reside. Websites like GoDaddy or Namecheap make this easy. Simply search for your desired name, and if it's available, it's yours to claim. It's like putting a nameplate on your digital door. Next, you'll need a home for your blog, which is where hosting comes in. Bluehost or SiteGround are fantastic choices for beginners. Their sites guide you smoothly through the sign-up process. It's as easy as setting up a new smartphone. Choose a hosting plan that suits your needs and budget, just like picking a house that feels like home. Now, it's time to install WordPress. This platform is the foundation of your blog. Most hosts offer a one-click installation, making it as simple as installing an app on your phone. Once installed, you're ready to choose your blog's look. Selecting a theme is like choosing the paint and furniture for your home. Themes dictate how your blog looks and feels. Browse through the options, preview them, and install one that resonates with your style. Each theme is a new possibility, turning your blog into a welcoming space for visitors. With each of these steps, you're building a blog that's not just seen, but felt. A place where your voice can echo into the lives of others. Step 3 is all about creating content that resonates and engages. Imagine your blog as a cozy cafe where each post is a unique dish meant to satisfy your guests. Let's explore how to prepare these enticing dishes. Start with the types of posts you can offer. How-to guides are like recipes, providing step-by-step instructions to solve specific problems. They're immensely helpful and make your readers feel supported. Listicles, like 10 ways to save money fast, are the quick bites, easy to consume, and always popular for sharing. Product reviews are your personal recommendations, helping your audience make informed decisions. Think of them as your featured daily specials. Now for some writing tips. Keep your content clear and engaging. Imagine talking to a friend. Use active voice, ask questions, and weave stories to connect more deeply. Also, sprinkle some SEO magic by including relevant keywords naturally, like secret spices that make your content more discoverable, but don't overpower the main flavor. Lastly, consistency is your key to a loyal audience. Aim to post 2 to 3 times a week. Think of it as regular openings of your cafe, inviting readers back for more. Each post is an opportunity to engage, inspire, and build a community around your blog. Keep the doors open and keep the content flowing. Step 4 is about inviting the world to visit your blog, similar to throwing a housewarming party where you welcome guests. Let's make sure they can find their way to your door with some smart and heartfelt strategies. First, let's talk about SEO. Imagine SEO as the map that guides visitors to your blog. Start by using tools like SEMrush or Google Keyword Planner. Think of keywords as the signs along the road. They should be relevant to your blog's content. When you sprinkle these keywords throughout your posts, it's like placing breadcrumbs that lead search engines and readers right to your articles. Next, dive into the vibrant world of social media. Pinterest can be a treasure trove for bloggers. Create visually appealing pins that reflect your post themes. It's like posting a beautiful billboard that catches the eye and directs traffic to your blog. Similarly, engaging in Facebook groups related to your niche is like attending community gatherings where you share stories and invite others to visit your home. Lastly, email marketing can be your way of sending out personalized invites. Platforms like MailChimp make it easy to start a newsletter. Regular updates to your subscribers are like friendly reminders of upcoming gatherings or interesting news, keeping them connected and engaged with your blog. Each email is a gentle nudge, bringing them back to visit time and again. Step 6 is all about expanding the reach and impact of your blog, akin to nurturing a garden so it grows lush and wide. Let's explore some advanced strategies to spread your roots deeper and your branches further. Think of content repurposing as giving new life to your existing work. Take a well-loved blog post and transform it into a YouTube video or a podcast episode. This is like telling your favorite stories around different campfires, reaching those who prefer watching or listening over reading. Each format taps into a new audience, multiplying the impact of your original ideas. Networking is your pathway to growth. Engaging in guest posting is akin to visiting a neighbor and sharing stories on their porch, inviting their friends back to your place. It not only builds relationships, but also strengthens your blog's presence through links, much like well-trodden paths between homes that make visiting easier. Step 7 is where you make your blogging journey smooth and stress-free by embracing automation and smart time management. As your blog starts growing, it may feel like juggling too many things at once, but don't worry. There's a gentle way to handle it all. Start by automating simple tasks. For example, use MailerLite or ConvertKit to set up automated emails. Imagine welcoming every new visitor to your blog with a warm, pre-written message without having to manually send it each time. These tools let you create a sequence of emails that automatically reach your subscribers, building trust while you focus on creating more content. Next, automate your blog post scheduling. Platforms like WordPress allow you to schedule articles ahead of time. It's like preparing meals in advance so they're ready when your guests arrive. Your readers will always have something fresh to enjoy, even if you're busy elsewhere. As for time management, keep your blogging tasks organized using Trello or even a simple Google Sheet. Break your work into smaller, manageable steps and assign days to each task. This way, you avoid overwhelm and maintain a healthy balance. Remember, your blog should feel like a creative space, not a burden. Smart planning and automation keep things flowing smoothly, letting you enjoy the journey without burning out. Step 8 is about building long-term success, the part where patience and steady effort turn your blog into a lasting source of income. Think of it like nurturing a tree. It takes time, care, and attention, but the fruits are worth it. First, stay consistent. Make a habit of posting regularly, even if it's just once or twice a week. Consistency is like showing up for your readers again and again, building trust and keeping them connected. Many bloggers give up too early, but those who stay the course often see the most beautiful results. Next, learn to read the signs. Use Google Analytics to track your blog's performance. This free tool will show you how many people visit, what posts they love, and where they spend the most time. It's like having a friendly guide who tells you what's working and what needs a little extra attention. Lastly, Don't forget to refresh old content. Go back to your previous blog posts, update the information, improve the titles, and add new images if needed. Readers and search engines love fresh content, just like we all prefer fresh flowers over wilted ones. By consistently updating, analyzing, and patiently nurturing your blog, you'll watch it grow stronger month after month. Are you excited to start your blog and aim for your first $5,000 month? Which niche do you think you'll pick for your blogging journey? Comment below. I'd love to hear. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.